6:52 a.m. right now. It's gonna be 7 soon. So I am like waking up at 7 or 7:30 almost nowadays. So I just thought that I'll show you my morning routine as a solo being before going to classes. What I do. So yeah, that's what is included or involved in this video. So hope you'll enjoy watching this, and yeah, like watch it again, guys.
You got me sick to my stomach, got me sick to my stomach, got me sick to my stomach, oh, 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 oh. Sick to my stomach, got me sick to my stomach, got me sick to my stomach, oh, 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 oh. I used to want it before I knew how it would feel. Anxious attachment by the hip, head down a hill. Uncertainty can be a drug that loves to deal. The more they give it to you, the more you want the pill. Cause my guts.
We did our makeup. Now let's do a quick transition.
We're probably not meant to be.
That is all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel. Like, we are so close to hit 1k, and yeah, see you in the next one very soon. Until the next video, love you guys, take care, bye bye.